So the exit angles are very important because we want to emulate his natural trajectory of the terminal hair exit. So we're going to follow that rather than us making it up. And then what we typically do, we'll do a couple of incisions using different diameters and length of blades, because everybody's anatomy is different. And what we don't want to do is just, treat everyone the same, because your grafts may be thicker, wider than somebody else. So we do a few test incisions, and then my team will test the single grafts, double grafts, triple grafts, and then we will fit the blade around your anatomy rather than us sort of, making everything fit into a predefined square.